steady. Then he played till the hands bleed, without a doubt. He listened and played to the chords that brought about so many songs and music to love. His guitar gone ecstasy, chords ring out on fire, playing pretend and pretend to be. The music and life gives passion and his freedom. Also the feeling, power, hopes in life. The element of who it was, and just try to live the lifestyle of being a rock star. Every day's the same, and I'm feeling with the pain, while I'm waiting for the other shoe to drop of being a rock star. To me, it's a sad song, but it could be a sad song about anything, love, loss, or anything that could happen to you during a normal day. Something bad happened to you, and you're waiting for something else bad to happen. Waiting for the other shoe to drop. For now it seems that bigger. Means you're now known as the best. It's not the one that you will find. It's not the one you'll see. Came from those threads you had so long. When done, should leave no trace that it has lived, except a gleam across a dreamer's face. Every day's the same, and I'm living with the pain, while I'm waiting for the other shoe to drop of being Rockstar. We can wait forever for the passion to untrust. We can wait forever for the worthwhile drug of being a rock star. Every day's the same, and I'm living with the pain, while I'm waiting for the other shoe to drop.